my name is Abhinav Singh and I welcome you all to yet another video of our channel CPL Tech Talk. In this video, we are going to talk about how I can export the Excel report of all the quizzes I conduct as part of assignment feature in my Teams. So for this, you need to have a laptop or a desktop. Okay, so let's get started. I open the browser. The first step I need to do is go to office.com and click on sign in. And I'm going to sign in using my demo account. Password. Okay, so I'm logged in. Now this is the portal view for office.com. If you haven't seen this before, I am interested in forms. I click on forms and notice that the landing page has three main sections: my forms, shared with me, and group forms. Now my forms gives me a list of lot of forms, and these are definitely the forms that I created as part of my training sessions to my different clients. But all of these forms have an interesting characteristic. For example, demo class MOH, I see 0 responses, but I know there was one response. So what am I missing? Basically, I have to click on group forms. Now I see the same form demo class MOH, but this time with class team 1. Now this class team 1 is the class or the team to which I had assigned this quiz. So in your case, if you had assigned this to class 10B, then it would say class 10B. And now I can see at least one response. And I know that I had one demo student account to submit the response to the quiz so that I can complete the process of the demonstration. Now I'm going to click on this form. I want to export the data for this form. I get to see what all questions were asked. So there were 2 questions. What I'm interested in is responses. And as you can see, there's one written right next to the responses. So I know upfront there's one student or only one response so far. I click on that and I click on open in Excel. Once I do that, it will download the Excel file. I click on open. Once this file is open, and here you get all the details for every student. So I get start time, when did that student start, completion time, when did that student finish, and then email and name of the student and answer to individual questions. Okay, so this is how you can get a great insight for all your students and identify gaps in your online classes, because there are challenges in virtual classroom where you're not physically next to the student. You can't see their facial expressions. This could be a very handy way for you to gauge how much are they able to absorb, and if there are any gaps, how do I identify them to fulfill them. So hopefully it was useful for you. Stay tuned for our more upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.